So welcome back to another weekly vlog. I thought I'd start it sitting down like now because I've just got a parcel and I thought I'd do like a little unboxing kind of thing with you. This is the little parcel I got and it's from the shop Notino.com and I'm working with them again for today's video. So basically they're like an online beauty store, I guess, beauty shop, but they sell like perfume, makeup, skincare, hair care, hair tools, just loads and loads and loads of things, like every kind of brand you can think of, like Maybelline, Estee Lauder, L'Oreal, so lots and lots of brands. So they gave me a voucher to buy a few things, and then I also spent some of my own money as well because I couldn't decide what to get. So I thought I'd do a little unboxing with you and show you kind of what I picked up from there. First thing I got is a highlighter. This is the Makeup Revolution Golden Kiss highlighter. Let me open it to show you what it looks like. How do I open this? There we go. This is the packaging, and then this is what it looks like. So this is the shade here, if you can kind of see. So it's like a really shimmery kind of light golden shade. I'm really excited to use this. I also got the Vivid Baked highlighter from Makeup Revolution again. This is in a slightly lighter shade. So let me open it and swatch this one as well. So this one is that one there. So the other one's a little bit more golden and this is slightly lighter, but it's still a really nice shade. I then got an Elizabeth Arden 8-Hour Cream Intensive Lip Repair Balm because I always get such dry lips, so I thought I'd pick one of these up and see if it works. And then I also picked up the L'Oreal Nude Magique Cushion Foundation because I've never tried this and I really wanted to try a lighter coverage foundation, so I'm excited to give this a go. I got the Makeup Revolution Focus and Fix Liquid Concealer, which I really like the look of this shade. So again, I'm excited to try it out. I got some lipsticks as well. These are all Makeup Revolution and this one is in the shade Wishful, I think it is. So let me swatch that. That's that one there. And then I also got one in the shade Chauffeur, I think it is, which is a slightly darker shade. So that one's that one. And then I also got another one, but I took it out to like put it on my lips and now I can't find it. So yeah, I've no idea, but I also got another one, so I'll link it down below. I got a lip gloss from L'Oreal. This is the Extreme Resist lip gloss in the shade Never Let Me Go. And then Notino.com also do a lot of like offers. So if you spend a certain amount on a brand, you get some freebies. So these are some of the little freebies I got that I didn't order myself, but I just got in my parcel. So this is the Makeup Revolution Iconic Blush, Bronze and Brighten Flush palette. Let's open it up. This is what it looks like. There you go. I also got the brow pomade in taupe. So let's open this up. This is also from Makeup Revolution. So you get a little brow pomade and then you also get a little kind of double-sided brush. And then one of their Lip Hug lipsticks. So let's open this up and see what shade it is. I'm not really sure what the shade is, but I'll link it down below. But this is what it looks like. So it's quite a kind of bright berry shade, I would say. I also got some more little lip balms. Again, these were like a little free gift. So these are the Love Heart ones, which I'm really excited to smell because I love the smell of like sweets and anything like that. I then also got a little perfume gift set. Now, I'm not even going to try to pronounce this because I cannot pronounce anything. But that is the brand. So yeah, if you can speak French or whatever language... If you can speak French or whatever language this is written in, then please tell me what it says because I have no idea. But I'm going to open it up and this is what you get inside. So it has the perfume, which is the Queen Next Door perfume. So let me open it up and give it a little spritz. So it's a really nice scent. I'd say it's more of an evening kind of sophisticated scent, I would describe it as. I cannot describe fragrances, so that's as close as I'm going to get with this. And then I assume this smells the same, but it is like the body lotion. So can I pump this? No, I think you've got to turn it. So this smells similar, but is in more of a kind of light scent, I would say. So that's the end of my mini haul. Definitely check out Notino.com because a lot of their stuff is discounted as well. A lot of the perfumes I know are cheaper than you get them at your kind of normal shops, and some of the makeup is as well. So yeah, definitely check them out. I think they ship worldwide. So yeah, but I'm now gonna get on with the rest of this video. I'm at the ice skating rink. Just put my thingies in. I'm here with Emma. Hello. And we are about to go ice skating. I am ice skating. Not very well though.
Better than me.
We got Emma here.
Yeah.
Who is...
At least you can actually do it without holding on.
Yeah, no hands.
No hands.
I'm not the best though. I think I'm about to fall over. I tried to help some woman, yeah, across this gap, and then I caused her to fall over.
And then she got pulled down.
Yeah, and then she pulled me down with her. So I'm not doing that again, that's for sure. This is effort.
Come in.
Get out. Where do we have to go now? We've got to cross the river. Say hi.
Hi.
We've got to cross the river. Okay.
Is it going to be one of them ones where you can't like hear the sound?
Oh, it doesn't look like a safe bridge. Well, no, it looks a bit. I mean, it's just a bit. Oh, like it is a bit. Oh god, that does not sound good. So we are in some like fancy bar, and these are the toilets. Like, look how amazing.
Look at the view.
Like, can you not see the view? It's the O2, and then when we're sitting, I'll show you in a sec, you can see like the Shard. That's Canary Wharf, kind of just there. But these are like the most amazing toilets, and let me show you my outfit. I did have a coat, obviously, but you cannot see what I'm wearing at all, can you? It's all black, basically, yeah. So our food has just arrived, and our drinks. We have gone for a very healthy bread and butter and chips. And then we got cocktails, and then we've got an Emma, who's looking lovely. So I've just done my hair. I'm not really too sure if I like it. I feel like I look a little bit like an egg or something, but I'm gonna go with it anyway. But today I'm off to London. I'm gonna meet a blogger friend, and then I think we're just gonna go for lunch, maybe take some like blog photos and Instagram photos and all that kind of thing. Yeah, not really sure what else I'm doing today, but yeah, I will take you along with me. So I'm currently at the train station waiting for my train. One was cancelled, the other one's late. It's not going well today, but I'm going to hope that one train comes so I can get on it. I think that is my train there. I am currently on the train. As you can see, this is a train. You probably know that. Listen to music, but you know. The hair, I'm not too sure. I think it looks like it's a bit greasy, even though it's just loads of hairspray and yeah. But we're going to have to go with it. And I'm wearing these earrings, but I think I'm wearing them the wrong way. I think this one should be in this ear, and that should be in that ear, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I've got my bag, got my coat. I'm looking forward to going to London. I think we're going to go Copper Club, which is like, they have those like igloo things. So I'm hoping that we can get like a seat in the igloos. Because you can like have food and drinks in them. They're like just plastic ones. They're not like proper igloo, like ice or anything like that. They're literally just like a plastic ball thing. But you know what I mean. So yeah, I will see you when I'm there. The sun looks so pretty. Yeah. Do you want to be in it? I can't even see you, it's like so dark. Come over here. There you go. Doesn't she look beautiful? Thank you. We are at Tower Bridge now. Yes. And we are going to take some pictures.
Yeah. For a shoot with my frilly top.
So I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. Make sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!